It's a lot like what we're discovering right now in terms of the antidepressants that have been pushed on us for 20 years based on the idea that, we have a chemical imbalance in our brain. And now all of a sudden they're doing the research that they should have done to begin with. But of course, there was a lot of profit there to say, actually, that's not true, which we knew because nobody ever tested the chemicals in our brain when they gave us that diagnosis. So serotonin actually has nothing to do with your depression. It really comes down to how you identify. It comes down to what you're doing with the chemical
Yeah.
interactions in your brain. But we always want to foist responsibility. We always want to put the cart before the horse and say, no, no, it's that's fault. Right? But that is us. Like we always tend to translate it as the chemicals create the emotion, but the emotion alters the chemicals. So you can't divide the two.
And they do work, like it makes sense that these things do work in the short term. And I'm not someone that, like if you want to take a benzo every now and then when you get on a plane, yeah, it's going to help you. But if you take a benzo every day, that could help you for many reasons. And then even with antidepressants, like there is going to be just a natural uptake of you feeling more increased feelings of well-being when you have more serotonin circulating in your brain. But is that really in the long run going to bring you like a greater satisfaction of life? Probably not. And also this is an area I always am like hesitant to talk about because I know it's so heated and I'm not a medical doctor. But I can say as somebody who worked in the pharmaceutical industry, pharmaceutical companies don't give a fuck about you. They just don't.